warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saranas Ramadhani. Today I'm going to retell a story about the three snake leaves. In the story, talking about the courage of young men who win the king's daughter to become a wife, but must agree to the princess unusual request. If one of them must die, the other will be buried alive with the first. And sometimes later, the princess fell ill and died, so the princess was buried alive in his basement. While waiting to starve to die, the princess was attacked by a snake, which he killed by cutting the snake into three pieces. Another snake resurrected a dead snake with three leaves, and giving the princess the idea of using a leaf on the princess, and the princess is back to alive, and the princess the princess and prince then traveled to the sea to visit his father. The princess, but the princess falling in love with the captain of the ship, and the couple threw the prince into the sea and drowned the prince. And several months after the prince's body, and he revived him using a snake leaves. And then the prince and the servant return to the kingdom and report assassination attempt. And then the king made the captain and the princess ride a boat full of holes and sail to sea, and then they die. Okay, now we move in my lesson plan. My lesson plan with material about narrative text and time allocation is 90 minutes. And the first point is about teaching objective. The teaching objective are: the first is students are able to understand about narrative text, and students are able to identify the general structure of narrative text properly and correctly. And the last is students are able to answer questions about narrative text. And the second point is teaching method. In the teaching method, there are definition of narrative text, generic structure of narrative text, and language feature and of narrative text. We move, and the next is teaching method. The teaching method is scientific approach with the method communicative learning and technique discussion and individual works. And the next is media and tools. Media and tools are PowerPoint and example of narrative text. And the learning source is book and internet. And the next is teaching step. In the teaching step, there are three steps. The first is opening. The second is main activity, and the last is closing. The last my presentation talking about the multiple choice question that I have made with the first and second question talking about main idea, and the third question talking about patterns of organization, and number 4 and 5 number 4 and 5 talking about vocabulary knowledge, and number 6 and 7 talking about the topic of the passage. And number 8 and 9 talking about making inference, and the last question talking about summarizing. I think enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.